Then we have referrals. You can also use email marketing to promote your referral campaigns. It's a no-brainer. It's a low-hanging fruit for B2C and B2B. So one example is Great, and they used great timing to promote the referral campaign, which is during the International Day of Friendship. That's why I used them as an example, and they shared that during that specific day. So that's one example. And for B2B, you can also use referral marketing to hype up your product launch. So Notion, which is a project management tool, they released Notion AI, which is also like ChatGPT and Notion. And for them to hype up its release, you had to sign up for the waiting list, and you receive this email like, hey, you're part of the waiting list. Share this link with your friends to, become higher in the queue. Because at the moment of when I signed up for it, I was 2,800, 500, God knows how many. And for me to skip the queue, I had to invite more people. That was like their way of promoting this, was during their email marketing campaign.